Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the new Ford Ranger Wildtrak. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer of Gardex Nano Coat over the paint to make sure no trace of acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar comes in the Wildtrak trim level and is painted in copper or grey. It comes equipped with full LED headlights with auto high beam and front fog lights. Those as well LEDs. Accent color visible both on the honeycomb grille and on the inserts of the bumper, which is also equipped with a front view camera and parking sensors. 20-inch alloys with diamond turned finish over 4 season tires. Powerful mirrors fitted with both cameras and paddle lights. Satin finish roof bars and accent color rear roll cage. Rear parking sensors and camera, plus a tow bar with a 13-pin plug as well. Wildtrak design side steps, and over the curbside you can find the fuel flap for both the diesel and AdBlue. At the back you have a coarse bed liner finishing the whole bed with 2 anchorage points and 2 extra plugs with inverter as courtesy of the Power Pack free, and LED lightings on top. Size-wise, it's 124 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 53 centimeters of height, and then an extensive 160 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is in a 5-seat configuration with a 3-seat bench at the back, which is also furnished with 2 ventilation fans, 2 USB ports, 1 Type-C and 1 Type-A, and a 230 volt with 400 wattage maximum mains plug. The driver's seat is fully electrically adjustable, and all seats are finished in ebony royal black leather with contrast stitching in Wildtrak orange. And you have some center inserts in ribbed leather. As part of the extended leather package, you also have the finish over the door card and the dashboard itself, with piano black inserts over the 12 inches widescreen for the infotainment, and then a full leather with contrast stitching adjustable steering wheel. The ignition button is on the right hand side of the steering column. And then you have a fully adjustable in height and depth multifunction steering wheel, which houses the settings for the adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist, infotainment with voice commands with advanced features, and also the trip computer and infotainment control. The vehicle is also fitted with fully automatic headlights, and you can control them from this dial over here, where you can also toggle the fog lights front and rear, and the service light at the back, plus a dial to adjust the height of the beam, and 2 buttons to control the dimming of the cabin lights, which will also include the ambient lighting. More on that in a minute. Over the armrest you can find the controls for the power fold mirrors and powered mirrors. And the infotainment unit is a Ford Sync Gen 4 with a 12 inches screen, which is equipped with both its own navigation system, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the Bluetooth capabilities or the USB ports, and also from here you have quick access of all the features of the vehicle, like from the driving assistance package you have the cruise control with intelligent speed limit, which will automatically read the speed limit of the road you're currently in, lane keeping assist with pre-collision warning, blind spot monitoring, trailer view through the cameras onto the mirrors, and the cross traffic alert both front and rear. As I mentioned before, the vehicle is also fitted with LED ambient lighting, which you can quickly toggle through this setting, and it's in the classic Ford ice blue and engulfs both the center console and the door cards as well. From the main unit, you can also command the air conditioning and climate control. Plus, you have the toggles for the heated seats, which are 3 stages for both the driver and the passenger, and the heated steering wheel. And then you have the physical commands to quickly command the air conditioning in case you need it. Just underneath, you can find the wireless charging mat, which is part of the Power Pack 3 with the USB Type-C and Type-A port. And another extra from the Power Pack 3 is these 6 auxiliary buttons, which you can wire to features you want or to extra lighting you may add over the vehicle, etc. The vehicle is equipped with a 10-gear automatic transmission with Tiptronic commands. And then you have the selector for both the driving modes and the transmission as well. As part of the technology pack, the vehicle is also fitted with parking assist, which will help you maneuvering inside parking spaces. And then you have also a full 360-degree view, which is toggleable through this button over the center dashboard, and it will give you real-time information of multiple features of the vehicle, such as suspensions, transmission, and tires. The driving modes included in the vehicle are Normal, Eco, Tow Haul, Slippery Roads, Mud and Ruts, and then Sand. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.